Say Tagalog words.
Ano po kuya? Masarap naman.
What is masarap to, kuya?
I don't know.
Oh my God, what are you saying? What is masarap?
Yummy.
Why are you saying masarap po, kuya?
That's Tagalog, I know. Bayad po
Why?
kuya naman.
What else?
Bakit? Bakit kuya? Ano po kuya? Yeah, that's it.
Why always kuya? I don't understand.
I love kuya in Philippines. Kuya for life.
What about for lady?
Lady ate.
Ate. But why you always use kuya?
Because kuya is a cool guy in Philippines. Ate no. Ate are K-pop lovers.